I'm ready. So what are we doing?
Taxi. Great. Up the formation taxi game.
I'm right there with you.
Ah, Flucker! Flicker!
Who's that gang up on me?
Stop that! I'm going on the center line.
Oh,
actually, I'll go farthest. You go center line, Keon.
Sorry, I was.
That's all right.
I'll be all the way closest to us.
All right, Nate, you go first. You're ahead.
Taking off.
Take it out.
Sorry, booty.
Nobody's buttocks is as fiery as mine.
That's because you eat the most tacos.
I can't see it here. Fuck.
Yeah, over there it's hard to see. That's why you need lights. You guys got to tell me what you're doing, because I had no clue.
Whoa, my plane just stopped. I went too slow though. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut it short because you guys have lights.
All right, doing a fast, slow pass from the left.
I'm just gonna chill around. I can't.
I'm going behind you, Ray.
I'm actually
Going up. You okay, Keon?
No, it's just as hard to see now.
Oh shit, Nate.
Hello. Hey, you came up on my ass last week, so I came up on your ass. We both pulled up and then you just decided to veer right.
That was bad.
And whose fault is that?
It was mine.
Exactly. Sorry, booty. Keon, I can't even see your plane.
Imagine him flying it, he can't see it.
Fast, low pass from the right. I gotta remember, I'm only flying at 5,000.
I'm doing a fast, slow pass from the left. Fast from the left.
These red strobes look amazing.
Close.
Close.
Oh wow, look at the sunset. All the rays are showing out. That's
fast, low pass from the left.
Yeah, cool, huh? Holy crap! I felt that. I felt that.
Oh, you're gonna play the unsafe?
No!
Okay.
Unsafe, low pass.
Unsafe. I can't see my plane.
We playing this game?
I couldn't see my plane. That was actually scary.
Ah!
I gotta calm down. I'm only flying a 5,000.
I got a 6,000 in mine, so I'm good. I'm flying
Stop showing off,
mostly
Ray.
half throttle. Oh, I'm sorry!
Hey guys, gear check.
What do you mean shush? Oh, you want to hear your landing? You'll come out the airplane.
Oh, I'm loving the gyro in this thing now. It's made it so much easier to fly.
When are you gonna come in?
Time remaining 21 seconds.
I'm coming in now. Way too fast, Keon.
I'll follow you in and then come in after you.
All right, landing.
10, 9, 8,
Taking off. Landing.
6, 5,
He's already here.
4, 3,
Oh, that's crazy. All three of us in the same frame.
time expired.
Keon, you can't get landing.
Hurry up!
We're not a high alpha. You see my landing is something.
Yes, I did. All three were in frame.
Keon, you're coming in too damn fast. There you go. There you go.
What the?
Bang!
No, you can't. You're right.
Gear down.
You know what's funny is when my wheels. Oh God!
Hurry up! I gotta land.
I gotta call my course there. Hey, I'm telling you, no, when you land, you gotta constantly be in the turn seat. No, you don't understand. Oh wait, no, you don't have lights, right? Very nice, Ray. Hey, you're gonna go up.
I'm gonna fly this again. Yeah. No, he won't. We're good. I'm gonna fly this one more time.